All right, so we were missing one last step to add your pages. So what you're going to go ahead and do is hover over website on the left panel and then click on pages in the sub list, and then click on your store underneath your pages. Make sure to click on store, the name, so that it opens the correct field. So then you'll see this option called Offer Storefront. You're going to click it, and then you're going to see all the offers laid out. You're going to duplicate that last one, and then you're going to remove the old offer and add the new offer. So this one's called Effective Goal Settings. So it'll be added there. You'll need to do it one more time because we have two of them that you've added. So you'll click duplicate. Go, and then obviously I'm looking at the name. So you have parenting. That's a cycle breaker. You click it, and then you click save, and you're good to go. All of the information will auto-populate based on how you save the offer. And you're all set. So then you can preview the workshops store, and you'll see all of the offers.